Hey guys, welcome to my channel AgentSutra. I am Siddharth and honestly I am super excited because this is my first video. On this channel I will sharing simple and practical stuffs about Salesforce, admin, developer and some of the latest cool updates in CRM. So if you are curious about Salesforce or just want to learn something new, you are in the right place. Alright, let's talk about something new that Salesforce has recently launched. And trust me, it is really exciting. That is Agent. Now, what exactly is Agentforce? In simple words, it is like an AI powered teammate that works inside your Salesforce system. Imagine having a super smarter assistant who is available 24/7. In it can answer questions, solve problems, guide customer, and even handle boring repetitive tasks, all automatically. The best part, it feels just like having another colleague in your team, except it is digital and it never take a break. Now you might be thinking, okay, but why this is important? Well, it saves times, improve customer experience, and help businesses work smarter instead of harder. First, for admin and development, you can connect it with workflow, apps, and data. Second, for businesses, it cut down support cost and makes service super faster. Third, for end user, it is a win-win because they get instant answer without waiting. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine a customer asks, what is the status of my order? Normally, a human agent would need to open the system, search for the report, and then reply. But the agent force, the AI instantly finds the information and gives the answer on the spot. Quick, smart, and reliable. So yeah, that is the quick intro of Agentforce, Salesforce AI powered agent. Honestly, it feels like the future of CRM, and I am really excited to dive deeper into these upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.